And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Most of the moisture that we've received over the past few days has been isolated towards the mountains, so the wet mountains have been getting that, as well as the San Juan region as well. So that is some beneficial moisture, but as you notice, not a whole lot happening along I-25. In fact, this July has been few and far between in terms of how much rainfall that we've received. Only 17/100ths of an inch here in Colorado Springs, 28/100ths of an inch, a little bit closer to Pueblo, and usually around this time of year, we're just over an inch and a half at the end of July. So we're about 1.46 inches below where we should be for the amount of rainfall here in Colorado Springs. For Pueblo, we've actually received more rainfall than Colorado Springs over the month of July so far. So luckily tracking a little bit more moisture once we get into this upcoming work week. But as of right now, temperatures sitting in the upper 80s with a few clouds over the mountains as of right now. And that's where that moisture is really staying isolated this afternoon. And the same thing will happen going into tomorrow, because closer to the Colorado Springs airport, as you notice, we're still in the 20s for the percentage for the humidity value. So definitely still dry, and even lower values a little bit closer to Pueblo. Bright sunny skies and the cloud cover also sticking to the mountains this afternoon. Tracking some moisture again towards the mountains. Really not a whole lot happening this afternoon along I-25. We did have a nice little thunderstorm that was moving through the southern portion of Colorado Springs, and it's since pushed off a little bit closer to the mountains, and we do have a nice little storm that has formed just north of Ellicott at the moment. So this activity is going to continue mainly for the Pikes Peak region, but even then we're going to start to see that die down over the next few hours. So if you do have any plans outdoors, it will still be a nice evening to get outdoors. Just some isolated shower activity closer to the mountains. So the rain chances will actually pick up over the next few days, mainly into the middle of this upcoming work week, and that's that monsoonal moisture that's going to start to pick up as well. So around Thursday, 50% chance of some rainfall, and then looking ahead for Pueblo as well, not as high of a chance, but it's definitely still possible. We'll take anything that we can get at this point. So we have a cold front that will be swinging through going into Monday and throughout the day, so that's going to help to increase that moisture across the area and get our atmosphere nice and primed for us ahead of this monsoonal moisture. Then once we get into Tuesday, we'll start to see the northern portion of our area have a few thunderstorms and some showers, but the southeastern corner of the state really not getting hit with any rainfall. Going into Wednesday, though, that's when we'll start to see that coverage pick up. In places closer to Pueblo, we'll see some rainfall. And going into Thursday, we'll see that coverage pick up as well. So multiple chances for some rain. So that is definitely some good news. Overnight lows tonight will be dipping into the 60s and 50s along the I-25 corridor. And going into tomorrow afternoon, back into the 90s here in Colorado Springs, upper 90s for Pueblo. So definitely a warm day. Nice day to get out to the pool as well. Next 7 days, here's what you can expect. So models have definitely been trending drier towards the beginning of this week, but starting around Tuesday, that's when some of us will be getting hit with a little bit of rainfall, at most around a 30% chance of rain. So definitely hit or miss. Not everybody is going to be seeing this rainfall. Pueblo will stay nice and dry at least through Tuesday. Small chance going into Wednesday, but that monsoonal moisture will really start to appear going into Thursday, lasting all the way into Saturday. So hopefully we'll get something there. Canyon City next few days will be in the 90s, definitely hot. It'll continue to dry out. Hopefully around Wednesday we'll get some of that beneficial moisture for parts of Fremont County as well. Woodland Park, that moisture arrives on Tuesday, a little bit more isolated around this time, but picking up coverage through the end.